few remarks. That's my humble contribution. And on behalf of Mulanje Central Constituency, we support the motion. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mulanje Central. Deputy Leader.
Good morning, Honorable Speaker.
Morning.
Morning. I rise to register our positive sentiments to the former leader, the former leader of opposition in the last cohort, Mulanje Central. And I would also want to extend an invitation. I think this is the right time because His Excellency Professor Atha has set out the tone that we are running an inclusive government and therefore he must come back. Kyombankhanga must be dissolved. He must come back. He is my brother from home. And the SG is here. And actually, because this is a government day, we can actually suspend all proceedings to allow that we receive you, the SG receive. This is your home. Feel free at any time. Come back. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Chatting.